Alright, hey, this is Han.
And this is Kit.
And this is the
Chalk.
the chocolate break. Well,
Wheel.
here we are again.
Mm.
And we went and we saw the Santa Claus today at the Macy's down in Seattle. We took the monorail over. We waltzed around a bit. Saw some crazy people. Kind of crazy. And
Really crazy people.
yeah. Well, they're closing that Macy's. That's the place that used to be Frederick and Nelson.
Did they say when exactly they're closing?
I want to say
it?
like February.
Okay.
But yeah, last year we started the tradition of going and visiting Santa Claus at Macy's, and now we just ended it. So, or they ended it. Maybe if there's some Christmas magic, it'll be back next year, but I don't think it will. So, we wanted to reintroduce you to the whole Frango thing. Those aren't going away. They've still got Macy's and malls and stuff, but
The Seattle Macy's, like the big.
the big department mega store. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think there's just too many other Macy's stores where it's like just a Macy's. It's usually like part of a mall.
Yeah,
Or,
you might find like a big one down in. Oh, there's one in New York.
well,
There's
yeah.
probably one in Chicago. There's probably one in
San
maybe
Francisco.
in stuff like that. But those are all gonna go away. Just like everything good just goes away. Internet, thanks. Anyways, enjoy the Frango episode from last year.
Hey, this is Hans,
And this is Kit.
and this is the
The chocolate break.
Holiday Edition. We did something fancy on Saturday.
It was very fancy.
We got out our fancy walking shoes and we went to Macy's in downtown Seattle, which before that, a while back, it was Frederick and Nelson. And when I was a kid, my mom and I would go there and I would have dinner or lunch or whatever at the top floor, and it was overlooking the city, and there'd be like pigeons out the window and crap, and it was rad. And at Christmas, it was just like balls out awesome. And another thing that they had were these candies, and they're called Frangos. Well, they still make them. It's now Macy's, but it's still pretty cool. They had a train display in a window, and these little spots where if a kid, I mean, they're supposed to be for kids. I did it, but where you can put your hand and the train will go. And when I was a kid, that was there, and getting to see my son do that was just like rad.
He liked it.
I did.
Going, boop,
Oh, he did too.
boop.
So we went to the Macy's, and this is going to be a review of every single variety of Frangos that are available for the 2018 holiday season.
Frango Mint Chocolate Trio. It has mint, dark mint, and white mint. Regular mint. Huh.
All right, we got a lot of these.
Yeah, let's go.
It's so melty.
It's nice though. It really makes the flavor more smooth.
You could find somebody who's like totally passed out after a Christmas party and just like slightly just slip it into their mouth, and they would just like wake up with just like Frango drool all over themselves. That was good. Score?
4.
I'll get with that a 4. Dark mint.
Dark mint.
Yeah.
Almost dropped my.
He said, it's not like it's really dark, but it's
No.
just got a little something, a little edge over
A
the
little tiny bit of bitter.
hint.
Hint.
It's a little more formal of a mint. I'll give that 4.25.
I don't know, 4.5. The white mint. Let's see what we get.
Or this will be like one of those.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at that. Cheers.
Oh. very rich.
The white chocolate almost completely overrides the mint, and there's a saltiness to it. Did you notice that? I'll give that one a 3. I'm not so sure about that. And I'm bummed too, because I thought I was really going to like that one.
Yeah, I'll agree. I'll give that one a 3.
Okay. Now it is time for the special collection. What shall we do first?
Toffee Crunch.
I enjoy good toffee.
Dope.
Toffee
Toffee
crunch.
Crunch.
Ooh.
Has like a nice buttery kind of toffee, like butter.
I'm giving that one a 4.75.
I'm gonna go 4.5.
Raspberry. So I think this is a flavor that's been around since I was a kid, and it was one that I just never liked. Let's hope for no funk. I mean, we want the funk. Gotta get that funk, but... Chin chin.
Chin chin.
I got the tiniest little crunch in that. Was that a raspberry seed?
I don't know. It didn't really feel like a seed.
What was that? Extra? I don't know.
I don't really like that one as much.
I think that's one of the ones traditionally I just haven't been a big fan of. I'll give that one a 2.
I'm gonna go with a 3.
Candy cane.
What was that movie?
I don't remember, but we have to find out. I'm sure somebody watching is immediately going to comment. That's my favorite Christmas movie. Candy cane. The Christmas movie where the trucker is going to kill the people.
Yeah.
That's beauty right there. Ooh. There's some teeth in that. Teeth.
That one's my favorite.
Score?
5.
That's definitely a 5. That's what Christmas tastes like.
It is.
That's what Christmas tastes.
So good. Sea salt caramel.
Sea salt.
Did they really get it from the sea?
Yes. Sel de mer.
Ooh.
Looking for the salt.
Speck of salt.
Speck of salt.
Speck of go.
You know what that makes me think of? Toffee.
More salty.
Yeah. I'm giving that one a 4. I liked it.
Go with a 3. Rum.
Rum flavored.
Oh, they don't use real rum?
Apparently not. For the kids. There you go. Let's get rummy.
Yeah, rummy.
Well, that one's changed. That one used to be way stronger. That makes me sad. That one's getting a 0 from me just due to the fact that they've taken the rum Frango and destroyed it.
Yeah.
It's like they put it in the corner and hit it with a whip.
I don't know, it just doesn't make me think rum.
Here is the dessert. It's dessert time.
Time for more dessert.
After having all the beef and
chicken
cordon bleu
potatoes,
and
corn.
stroganoff and Salisbury steak flavored ones, we have to have some dessert, you know. I'm not sick of them yet.
No, me neither. Tiramisu. I always thought it sounded really fascinating until I tried it. Boop, boop, boop.
Bo, 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 bo. Give me the love. So it has the texture of charcoal, but I know it's coffee, and then like a bunch of chocolate sauce. I love it. I'm giving that a 5.
3. Eclair.
Eclair Underwood.
Eclair.
We're big fans of House of Cards now. I love this woman like sharks love blood. I will never forget that line. Eclair.
Eclair.
Oh.
Ooh, wow.
Ooh.
Fanciful.
It's like Christmas.
It's pretty good. I don't know really what I was expecting, but
That's an eclair. I'm giving that a 5.
me too. Creme brulee.
Oh, and there's creme. Cram that creme in you. To you.
Ooh, you. That was weird.
Tiny, like, sand-sized pieces of Charleston Chew in it. I
think
swear
it's
to
because
God.
when they do that, it makes kind of like a crunchy top to it, maybe.
Oh, is that the deal? I don't
what they
care
look
for
like.
that. I'll give that a 1. No, I'll give that a 0. I really just don't care for that. I don't like creme brulee frangos.
I'm right there with you then. I don't want to give it anything. Give it a 0. Mint cookies and cream.
Ooh, I like the looks of that. That's got creme de menthe in it. See? Why did the other one have rum flavor when this... God, that just stinks of creme de menthe, which has alcohol. Ah, girl.
Alcohol? was interesting. The flavors almost kind of came in waves. It was like kind of the creamy, and then the chocolate, and then the mint, in that order. And little cookie, almost like cookie bits.
It reminds me of a Girl Scout Thin Mint cookie.
Yeah, I could go for that. Those are good.
Those are good.
It was good.
What?
4.
Yeah, I'll go 4. Pecan pie, the very last. And it really blows because, you know what, I'm pretty sure neither of us like pecan pie.
It's like a brown.
Brown. Well, maybe the pecans to Christmas.
To Christmas. That's hideous. Oh. Like, I almost want to spit that out.
It makes me think of walking down a path on the side of an old house. The path is grassy, and there's a fence next to me that's like this weird green, like they make pecan shells. And it's like the fence was painted that, and it's almost like it was stained with that, but it's really weathered. And walking down that way, and there's like a bucket with a whole bunch of mosquito larvae in it. And you keep going, and it's just like there's a bunch of just like brackish water and things all over the place. And and there's like an oil drum with a bunch of rainwater, and it looks like it has an oil slick on top of it. We don't belong here, Kit. We don't belong here. I'm giving that a 5. Actually, I liked that. That had a wonderful flavor to it. And I think of all of them, that was my favorite. It evoked.
Oh my god!
Yeah,
stop.
I'm serious.
No.
I really, really like that one.
I'm really gonna have to reevaluate like a lot of things here because that was freaking gross.
Oh, you're giving it a 4.5?
I'm giving that a 0.
Ooh,
that was nasty.
Well, that one evoked a out-of-body experience for me.
Yeah, I guess so. Maybe it was all those rum and
rum and creme de menthe. Well,
yeah, I feel very chocolated.
I feel like I could eat more Frangos, but I feel that I probably should not.
Yeah, we tried all of them.
We did.
They were all pretty good for like overall.
Yeah.
A couple of odd ones.
Yeah, go get them all.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Go to Macy's in Seattle. You have a little store though.
But you got to get all these because if you go in there, is there one that has all of them? And then they'll like try to foist you with that.
Which is weird, right? Because you'd think, oh, well, we want to sell chocolate. Well, what has all of it? And then she brings over just like this little tiny box. And it's like, that has all of it in there? Really? Wouldn't you want to sell us like
all of it?
Boxes? Bring up 10, 12 boxes.
You go to an old school brick and mortar department store and you're thinking like, whoever's in each department, all they care about is making you happy. All they care about is giving you correct information. All they care about is Christmas. That's complete crap. You know, it's just not that way anymore. It used to be.
You should be able to have a store with candy in it, and you should be able to like have a little box and go over and just like individually pick how many
you used to. It was Frederica Nelson's.
And then go, here you go, I filled my box.
Yeah.
And then you just pay for the flavors that you wanted to put in your box.
Well, yeah, down in the basement of Frederica Nelson's, they had this area called the Arcade, and they had jelly bellies like that.
Yeah.
But that was back when that wasn't common. You see that a lot now, but they had like tons of it, and it was, yeah.
The good old days.
Yeah. Hell in a handbasket. Well.
Wishing you a very Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Have some chocolate. Share some chocolate.
Remember what it was like before it got to this point. Goodbye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.